What's up, trail runners? For this video, I'm in Phuket at the Bang Wad Dam. I'm gonna do a 22k loop here. So if you want to know what it's like, definitely stay tuned. I'll share the GPX file with you in the description below, as always. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And that way we can bring more cool trail running stuff for you. Alright? So stay tuned, enjoy the video. Cheers, guys. Wow, look at that. Really beautiful to start off the run. Nice. On to the single trail now. See where this takes us. Okay, we should have almost done the first climb. There should be some downhill following very soon. Yeah, so far so good, very beautiful. And if you haven't tried it yet, definitely try out some trails in Phuket. It's really worth it. First downhill. Always fun. That's less fun. Not sure if he likes me or if he really dislikes me. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Wow. Yeah, it does get tricky sometimes. Like now, again. Okay, so if you ever try this route, pay close attention to this, because that's where you have to get up. After the single track through the rubber plantations, you end up with this little double track, and then you just have to climb up here. Not sure what this is. Looks like a bit of a coffee shop with views. There we have it. Patong. Route is really nice. I mean, look for yourself. The main question is, how long will it stay this nice? You see this big road here? Probably used to be a small trail just like this. So yeah, that's a development, but I don't know if it's a good thing, to be honest. The trail route in Phuket wouldn't be complete without some nice rubber plantations, would it? ปกติทำตอนเช้าไม่ใช่เหรอครับ
ไม่ขี้เกียจตอนกลางคืนนู่น
โอ้
ตอนใกล้รุ่งเย็นดีฉันไม่มีเวลาเล่นตัดตอนเช้า
ครับ โอเคโชคดีนะครับ อันนี้ทำอะไรนะครับ
กดยางครับ
อ๋อ แต่ไม่ได้ใช้เครื่องเลยครับ
ใช้เครื่องครับนั่นใช้ตรงนั้นจะใช้เครื่องครับ
แล้วหลังจากนั้นต้องทำมืออีก
ใช่ไม่ครับไม่ทำมือครับถ้าทำมือตรงนี้ ถ้าเสร็จตรงนี้แล้วก็จะใส่เครื่องแล้วก็ใส่เครื่องนี้ แล้วก็จะจบแล้วครับเสร็จแล้ว
อ๋อ แล้วไปขายเลยแล้วครับหรือว่า
ไม่ตากก่อนครับ
ตากก่อนโอ้
ใช่ครับ
โอเค น่าสนใจครับ ขอบคุณครับ
ครับ
Ah, see, got some new knowledge. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. All in all, a bit shorter than anticipated, but a nice trail. Has some nice single tracks like the one I'm doing now. Also some amazing views, as you've seen. That being said, definitely not easy. Easy to get lost, yeah. Quite a bit of elevation, but again, if you want to explore the inland of Phuket, definitely try it out. Alright, see you in the next video. Cheers!